Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. My name is Kadi and this is Duchess Management. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing the ORAIMO OPB-P5101 power bank. Guys, this power bank is so sleek. It is new and I want to share with you the unboxing process and I'll probably do a review. So let's jump right into the video, guys. Hey guys, welcome to Duchess Management, the home for social media management, tips, tricks, tools you need for social media creation, YouTube, to mention a few. So we're unboxing the ORAIMO OPB-P5101 power bank. This is practically my first time of seeing an ORAIMO product with inbuilt cable. Most times it just comes with a single short cable or long cable. So this is how the pack looks like. It has ORAIMO smart accessory, anti-fast smart charge tech, 12-watt fast charge with lightning and Type-C micro mini cable. It's a 1000 mAh power bank and is a slice link OPB P51015. So because this comes with 365 days warranty, it makes it amazing. And there's a 5000 band lifespan. It has 4 output, which is super cool. And then it has slim and portable and grip, like it is slim and portable. And then it is widely compatible, meaning you can use it for tab, you can use it for your phones, you can use it for lamps, you can use it for your watch, to mention a few. I have a video on me reviewing that, so just check it on my channel. I tried it out with different gadgets. Okay, so in this pack we have our warranty and then we have where we can scan to authenticate. Okay, so um this slice link OPB P51015 power bank is 10,000 mAh capacity and it has input 1, which is micro USB. It has 5V2A. Input 2 is Type-C 5V2A. Then it has the output of 5V2A max and output micro B USB cable Type-C, to mention a few. So guys, ORAIMO's packaging is always very tight and every time I have to do an unboxing I struggle. I feel like that's the fun part of unboxing a ORAIMO product. Okay, so voila guys, let's see what is inside. Drum roll. So this is a 2023 ORAIMO product, which is really cool. So we have a cable. You can see Type-C cable, just like every other cable that is inside. So let's just confirm if there's nothing inside. Okay, so there's nothing inside. Let's go ahead to check the pack. So this is like the power bank, and then we have let's keep that aside. So then we have this small paper. Now this paper is the ORAIMO certificate, warranty certificate. It also has the warranty terms and condition, and then we have welcome guide, usage information, important safety information, to mention a few. So now this is the power bank. We'll go ahead to this is the power bank is equipped with 3 built-in lighting and micro USB, as well as 1 USB-A port for charging and the micro USB and Type-C port for recharging. So guys, this is black. It's a black ORAIMO power bank. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to use it and then the whole process. So these are the 3 inbuilt micro cable that we talked about. So this is our USB mini, which we use to charge our normal regular phones. This is our iPhone mount, which is very popular to charge our iPhone phones and gadgets. And that is our USB Type-C cable, which we use to charge like every other thing. I like that feature. It's really sleek, and this side has all the information you need to know: the battery power, the size, and all the necessary things. Okay, and then here we have our charging port and for in and out. Okay, and then we have our power button where we tap to turn on, and then we have our battery percentage, which will show us the state of our battery when we charge and when we need to charge. It's at 25%, 50%, 75%, and 100% respectively. Okay, so now to charge it, all you need is your cable that is inside. You go ahead to plug it in the in, and then you connect it to your surge. Okay, that's your charger head. So guys, this is just me reviewing this, and when you go ahead to plug it, you see the percentage. So apparently it's at 3 bar, which is 75%. So I'm just going to charge it until it's full before I review it, and you'll see that in my next video. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification button. Thank you so much.